So unless you've been living under a rock, you know about the PulseChain network and the biggest airdrop that's ever happened in the history of cryptocurrency. Basically, any token you're holding on the Ethereum network is now on the PulseChain network. There is a copy. So if you were holding one Ethereum, you now have one Ethereum on PulseChain. If you were holding one sushi, you're now holding that on PulseChain. This is free. This is yours. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Number one, I'm going to show you how to find your tokens on PulseChain and how to add the network. Number two, I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to see your copies on the PulseChain network without having to add them one by one manually. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, and we're starting right now. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to PulseX. Now, PulseX is a decentralized swap, just like Uniswap is for Ethereum, but PulseX is on PulseChain. And it's pretty much like Uniswap, only it's on PulseChain. It's pretty much the same thing. So if you've used Uniswap, it should be easy for you to use PulseX. And what you're going to want to do here is connect your wallet. You can pick one of these wallets right here. I'm going to use one of my demo MetaMask accounts. Now, as soon as you enter your password to connect, it will ask you, it will prompt you to allow this site to switch the network from Ethereum to PulseChain. This, by the way, is equivalent to what happens if you go to Binance Chain. You're prompted if you want to change network. And yes, you can actually do this. Let's click Switch Network. And straight away, you will see I have my PLS here and so on. And if I open up my wallet here, if I go to Assets, you will only see these two, possibly Hex as well. So where are all your tokens? Where do you get all your tokens to trade? Well, let me show you. And by the way, just to make a note here, if you're looking for Ethereum, Ethereum is the only one that's now called PLS, okay? So your Ethereum tokens are now Pulse tokens. Does that make sense? So right here, we only have two tokens. Where are the rest of our tokens? Where are the rest of our airdrops? Where's our sushi? Where's our Uniswap or whatever else we were holding? Well, all you have to do is go to a site called Lightbeam. And it's lightbeam.xyz. So make sure you get the address correct. And what you do, all you have to do is go to your MetaMask or wallet, copy your address from the PulseChain network here, and stick it into the scanner. Then you just begin scanning. It will take some time to scan, but basically it's finding all your tokens. So there you go. Here are some of my tokens that I was holding on this demo wallet here. So what you do is you click Select All and click Add and Return. Now what MetaMask will do, it will prompt you to add these tokens one by one that it automatically found. So for example, here we have CSwap for whatever reason, we add token. Then we have EFI, we add token. And we just do this for all our tokens. Now, some of these tokens will have value, some of these tokens will not have value. It all depends if people are trading them and what they're valuing them at on PulseChain. It also depends on utility, because a lot of these tokens have utility, but they're on the Ethereum network and they don't have any utility on PulseChain. So meme coins can actually do well on PulseChain, for example, whilst other utility tokens may not do that well. So does that make sense? You're basically adding your tokens automatically, whatever this scanner found, and you just add them one by one. Now, if you go to your MetaMask wallet here and you go to Assets, you will actually see all these assets listed that you have on PulseChain. Does that make sense? These are your airdrops. Congratulations, you made some money. Now let's go trade these and see how we can actually find them on the swap, because they're not going to appear. So here we are at the exchange, and let's say we want to swap something into PulseX, or let's say we want to swap it into Pulse here. But if you click PulseX, if you click the icon up here, you will see that it's not showing all your coins. It's not showing the coins in your MetaMask. So how do you add them? Well, basically, you will go to your MetaMask here, find the token you want to swap, let's say EFI, for example. And if you click the three dots up here, you can go to token details. And right here, you have the token address at the top. You copy that and you paste it into this box over here. There's your EFI token. You click import. You click I understand. You understand that there's a warning here and you import it. And there you go, 545 EFI tokens. Let's say you want to click it into Pulse. Obviously, this one's not worth doing. It has no value, but you get the point. You can enable it here, then swap it over here. And there you go, simple as that. You don't need a 45-minute video to explain this to you. Now, please hit that like button if you got any value from this video, and check out this video right here next. You do not want to miss this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.